What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to a new video. New car. I have some explaining to do. M2 is gone, but we have this. Yes, you heard that right. This is a single turbo F80. Oh, this is a single turbo F80. I haven't done any videos on it yet. If you follow me on Instagram, you would probably had seen that I got this probably like 2 months ago at this point. I am literally loving the car. I'm enjoying it. It's a very fast car. There's definitely content to be made with this vehicle. Now, I just have to find the time to do that content. Thankfully, today, my friend up ahead, Brian, helped me get an SD card because I had one and mine was almost completely full, so I didn't have any space to be able to record. He helped me get one, and now we are finally recording again. So yes, I believe that was a cop, but it's okay. He's not coming after us, so we're fine. All right, so we're gonna go into M1 mode. MDM, not traction fully off, because this shit traction off, it's very scary, I'm not gonna lie. So I just prefer to keep traction on because I do not want to die. There's an M440i right there. Let's bully him a little bit. Such a fun car, I'm not gonna lie. I sometimes miss the M2, but then I hear that turbo spool and the flutter as well, and it like makes it so much better. This car is fully tuned on the 85, and right now I am a little bit low on the 85, but it's okay, we'll figure it out. Stay in your fucking lane, bitch. There we go. That'll work. Whoa. There's a cop somewhere, so we gotta be careful. Radar's going off, and I'm not about to get a fucking ticket. Fuck that shit. I don't know where he at. Right there. We chilling though. Listen to that. Can't beat that, man. It's that 440 again. So good. I literally can't get over how good this car sounds. Like it's insane. Okay. Hold up, Brian. I'm not gonna about to do all that, man. I'm gonna catch up to him eventually. Okay, perfect. That'll work. That's my lip. Car is very low. It has 18-inch wheels, so, and it's also lowered as well, and that usually brings the car a lot more down. Oh, look at that. So much fun. I need to get gas. Damn. I figured I would need to get gas. I was not worrying about it in the moment, but now I am. So I need to find some E85 around here, definitely. V11 turbo. Very tight turn, so we gotta slow down a lot. It's good at first, but then it gets really tight. You'll see right now. And here we go, here it gets tight.